Good morning to you all, dear students. Today we will start with the new topic under Block 18 Citizens, Protests, and Local Bodies. So, that is under Urban Government. So, our aim for today is students will be able to analyze how people exert their influence on local governing bodies in urban areas to address their needs. Resources required is your notebook, your exit content book. Keywords for today is influence, protest, petition, slogan. So what is the meaning of influence? First of all, influence means the power to effect, control, or manipulate something or someone. That is known as influence. Alright, point number 2, protest. To make strong objection. Number 3, petition. A formal written request that is made to an official person or organized body, often containing many signatures, that is known as petition. What is slogan? A catchy phrase associated with the products or service being advertised, that is known as slogan. Alright, so what did we learn about local governing bodies in urban areas? We have learned about municipal corporation and a different form of government, right? So what did we learn about local governing bodies in urban areas? Okay, I hope you still remember, okay, that there are three kinds of local bodies in urban areas. Yes or no? That is the local body for big cities. It is called the municipal corporation. Alright, and the local body in smaller cities is called the municipality. So in small towns it is called Nagar Panchayat. Okay, so please don't forget that. There are ward councillor elected by people who make decisions for the municipal corporation. These decisions are carried out by the commissioner and people from various departments. Alright, so please remember all those, okay? Now let's read the case study, okay, from your content book. You'll find in page number 46. I'll read for you, so you please listen. So also you take out your textbook and then you follow the reading. Okay, the garbage problem in the city. Calcutta, 12th July. After several attempts to draw the attention of the municipal corporation to the garbage problem in the city, people finally took to the streets. They led protest marches, shouting slogans against the municipal corporation for not clearing the garbage for so long. When asked by the reporter, this is what one of the protesters had to say: "We have been patient for a very long time. We tried sending petitions to the ward councillor, but there was no action. Some of us also personally met the commissioner, but nothing was still done. The streets smell and the garbage has become a den for stray dogs, insects and rats." The commissioner of the municipal corporation agrees the press later in the day. He said, "We have been trying our best to solve this garbage problem, but the workers in the sanitation department are on a strike demanding a higher salary. What can we do?" So that is all about the case study, okay, and I hope you have learned something from our discussion, all right, from the reading. So based on that, I'll be asking you question. So why are the people protesting in Calcutta? What else did they do earlier to address the problem? Was it effective? Why are the people they are protesting in Calcutta? What else did they do earlier to address the problem, and was it effective? Alright, so student, see, the people are protesting against the garbage problem in the city, as we have learned. Okay, so the garbage has been lying all around the streets. Okay, so it is not only attracting dogs, flies, and rats, but also it was spreading a bad smell in the city. Alright, because of that, people are angry that the municipal corporation hasn't addressed this problem for weeks. Okay, so they want the municipal corporation to get the streets clean, that is by clearing the garbage. Alright, for that, what they did, they see earlier they had sent a written petition to the ward councillor, that is to get the garbage clear. Alright, but it wasn't helpful. Alright, some of the people they also met the commissioner, okay, for that purpose, but the commissioner said that the work would get delay. Reason, because the workers in the sanitation department, they were also holding a strike, that is demanding an increase in their salary. Alright, I hope you get it. So what can people do if the municipal corporation or any other local bodies they does not address their problems? All right, think about your situation. Okay, suppose you are the people. Okay, we are the people. So if the municipal corporation or any other local bodies does not address our problems, what can we do? All right, people can do many things. Okay, people can do many things. That is, people can take out protest marches. They can shout slogans, that is demanding that the local bodies addresses their problems. They can also send written petitions to the local body, or they can write a letter explaining their problems and get it signed by hundreds or even thousands of people. Okay, that is to show the number of people who are in favor of this letter. All right, that is how they can do. All right, and also they can also write in the newspapers, or they can discuss it on television or radio. All right, so that is how people can address their problem if they are not heard by the municipal corporation. Okay, that is writing a petition, explaining a letter of their problems, and then collecting a signature from hundred or thousand of people. So also they can write in the newspaper, or they can discuss in the television or radio. All right. Okay, now this is the last question. Okay, why do you think the local bodies at times are unable to meet the needs of the people? Why do you think? What, according to you, might be the reason that the local bodies, either municipal corporation, municipality, or nagar panchayat, they are unable to meet the needs of the people? All right. See, there are many reasons for that. Okay, and some of the reason we're going to discuss. So for that, I want all of you to think. Okay, think. Okay, let me summarize your answer. See, sometimes the local bodies they tend to be indifferent, all right, to the needs of the certain people who are not powerful in society or are fewer in number. All right, for example, the slum dwellers. So they don't treat people equally. All right, because see, we all know in a society like us, the poor, their problems as well as their, all right, whatever they are facing, their problems, they are not addressed by the government easily. All right, because we still have lots of slum dwellers, we still have lots of beggars in the street when you go to bigger cities. Okay, so that is, see, at one point we can say that the local bodies they are not meeting the needs of the people. or especially the poor, right? Especially the minority group. Okay, so in some cases the local bodies may be unable to decide on which tasks are more important than others and which need immediate action. So sometimes see, there are lots of problems that the local bodies they have to handle. There are lots of cases, okay, and the local bodies they become difficult to decide like which work to do first and which work to do next. So that is how they face problems. So at times they may not have the money, right, that is allotted for certain tasks, means shortage of money. So in other cases certain tasks may not be carried out. The reason because there may be nobody to do the tasks, that is lack of or shortage of workers, as it happened with the workers who went on strike in Calcutta, that from the case study we have read, that delayed the work of cleaning the garbage. Right, so those are some of the reasons, okay, why the local bodies sometimes they are unable to meet the needs of the people. All right, I hope you are clear with it. So things to do, you have to do your, okay, practice question number 10. Okay, practice question number 10. Okay, practice question number 10. So also my learning chart, so you have to fill in this given boxes. All right, so that's it for our class for today. Thank you, take care and stay